Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Prasad. So this is the 50th video of RRB NTPC CBT1. So you can check the playlist for other videos as well. So let's start the question paper. When 0.434343 is converted to fraction, then the result will be. So here 43 is repeated. So 43 bar. So 43 bar means 43 divided by 99. So option. This length of two sides of a triangle are 7 cm, 8 cm respectively. Suppose this is triangle A, B, C. So side will be here small a. So this will be small b and this will be small c. So same opposite. Capital A opposite small a, capital B opposite small b. So two sides are 7 and 8. So I am assuming it as 7 and 8. They have given the measure of angle included between these two sides. Angle in between these two sides. So this will be 60 degree. We have to find the length of third side. So formula cosine rule, cos theta equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Here theta value is 60 degree. So cos 60 degree equal to a square means 7 square, b square means 8 square minus c square divided by 2 into 7 into 8. Here cos 60 means 1 divided by 2. So this goes to other side. It will be into 2 into 7 into 8. So this is equal to 7 square means 49. 8 square means 64 minus c square. 2 cancel. So c square equal to c square goes to other side. 49 plus 64, it will be 113 minus 7 into 8, 56. So this will be 57. If c square value is 57, then c value will be square root of 57. Option 3. A bag contains 3000 rupees, notes of which are in the denomination of 50, 100, 10. If the notes of 100, 50 and 10 are in the ratio 5 is to 8 is to 10, the number of notes of rupees 50 in the bag will be. So this will become 500, 400, 100. So the total will be 1000. But in the bag it is 3000. So that means we have to do into 3. So the notes will be also into 3. Then 50 notes will be here 8. We have to do into 3. So it will be 24 notes. If a power 1 by 3, so that means cube root of a, it will be 6. So if we cube both sides, it will become cube and cube root cancelled. So a equal to 6 cube, that will be 216. So a square minus 36 into a will be how much? So 216 square minus 36 into 216. So 216 into 216. So similar to 200 to 200, it will be 40,000. So here 4 zeros, 2 into 2, 4. So this will be 40,000, greater than 40,000. So here 30 into 200. So this will be more than 6,000. So that means the answer should be similar to greater than 30,000. Only one option is available, that is option 3. You can do whole calculation. Instead of wasting time, you can simply calculate like this. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. So product of two numbers equal to product of LCM into HCF. So 6 into 20, 120. So check the options. This is 180, 240, 160, 60 into 2, 120. So option 4 is the answer. Or else you can do 60, 20, 2 times. So this will be 3 and this will be 10. Nothing common. HCF is 2. So this is 3 times 1 time. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 10. It will be 60. HCF is 2 and LCM is 60. If on a market price, the difference between selling prices with a discount of 45% and two successive discounts of 30% and 20%. Suppose I have 100 rupees worth. So 30% discount, it will be minus 30. Then it will become 70. Again 20% discount, it will be 14. So total discount will be 30 plus 14, 44%. So the difference between them will be 1%, that is 84. So we have imagined that it will be 100 will be market price. So 100% will be how much? So this will be into 100. 84 into 100, it will be 8400. A survey of 40 children showed that 25% children liked playing football. So out of total 40, 25%, 40 into 25%, it will be 4 times. So this will be 10. Remaining will be 30. So if they liked playing football, then other children did not like football. So how many members are there? 30. There are two numbers such that big number is obtained by adding 5 to the other. Suppose I am assuming small number as x. Big number will be x plus 5. Total of these two numbers is 18. X plus 5 will be 19. 2x equal to 19 minus 5. So 2x equal to 14. So this will be 7 times x equal to 7. So the two numbers are, smaller number is 7. Larger number is x plus 5. That means 7 plus 5, 12. Product of these two numbers. So 7 into 12, 84. If x equal to 7 plus root 3, then 1 by x will be 1 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. Componendo dividendo 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3. So numerator will be 7 minus 4 root 3. Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. 7 square is 49. 4 root 3 square means 4 into 4, 16. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 16 into 3, 48. So this total value will be 7 minus 4 root 3. Now here x plus 1 by x. This will be 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 7 minus 4 root 3. 4 root 3, 4 root 3 cancel. This will be 14. Now we will do root x plus 1 by root x. So if we square both sides, so I am assuming this value will be a. Then this will be also squared, because if this value is a, then square will be square. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So root x whole square x, 1 by root x whole square, 1 by x, plus 2 into ab means 2 root x into 1 divided by root x. So this will be cancelled. So this will be equal to a square. So x plus 1 by x, this value will be 14. So 14 plus 2, it will be 16 equal to a square. Then a equal to square root of 16. Answer is 4. So this value will be how much? 4. Ages of two persons differ by 15 years. I am assuming a and b. So a minus b equal to 15 years. 5 years ago, the age of older person was twice that of younger one. Age of older person is a. So 5 years ago, so it will be a minus 5. So this will be twice the age of younger one. So younger one will be b. So 5 years before, younger one age will be b minus 5. So a minus 5 equal to 2b minus 10. Then a equal to 2b minus 10 plus 5. This will be 2b minus 5. Now substitute a value here. 2b minus 5 minus b equal to 15. So 2b minus b, it will be b. 15 plus 5. So it will be b equal to 20. So a equal to 15. So b goes to other side, it will be plus b. So that means 15 plus 20, 35. So the ages of a and b are 20 and 35. So option 2. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 36 root 3. Perimeter means 3a, that equal to 36 root 3. So this will be 12 times, so 12 root 3. So side will be 12 root 3. We have to find the height. So height formula, root 3 divided by 2 into a. Root 3 divided by 2 into a means 12 root 3. So this is 6 times. 6 into root 3 into root 3, it will be 3. Answer is 18. Question number. So the sum of two numbers is 850. So a and b, it will be 850. HF is 25. We have to find the possible pair of such numbers. So if we check the options, every options have here zeros as common, so that means 10 will be HCF, and we have to solve remaining to arrive at it. So 10 into anything, it will never be 25. So these three options are wrong. We will check with 225, 625, 25 9 times, 25 25 times. So there is nothing common here. So 25 is the HCF for option 2. Internal measures of a cuboid are 12 meter, 8 meter, 4 meters. So L, B, H. So L is 12, B is 8, and H is 4. With the height being 4 meter, find the total cost of whitewashing all 4 walls along with ceiling room. So 4 sides, it will be area 2 into L into B plus H. So this is the area we are going to paint, and surface area of the ceiling. So ceiling, it will be LB. So use this formula, 2 into L, here L plus B, sorry. So this is perimeter of this area, 2 into L plus B into height plus ceiling, it will be LB area. So L is 12 plus B is 8, height is 4, L into B means 12 into 8, 2 into 20, 40, 40 into 4, 160, 12 into 8, 96. So this is 256. So this is the total area we are going to paint. The cost of whitewash is 5 rupees per square meter. So 256 into 5. This will be 30. 25 plus 3, 28. 10 plus 2, 12. So 1280 is the answer. 2 liter of water is evaporated on boiling 8 liter of sugar solution containing 4% sugar. 8 liter means 8000 ml. So it has 4% sugar. So into 4%, it will be 320 ml sugar. Now 2 liter of water is evaporated. So this is total 8000. Out of 2000 water is evaporated. Remaining is 6000 ml. So out of this 6 ml, 6000 ml, the sugar will remain same. So this will be sugar. Now we have to find the percentage of sugar in the remaining solution. Sugar is 320. Percentage of sugar of remaining solution will be 320 divided by 6000 into 100, because percentage is always expressed in hundreds. 3 zeros, 3 zeros cancelled. 2 table 3 times, 16 times. So 16 divided by 3% is the answer. Question number 45 here. So the speed of 3 cars are in the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 10. Time taken by each of them to travel the same distance is in the ratio. So we will take first LCM of 5, 6, 10. So 5 table 1 times. So this will be 2 times. Again 2 table. So LCM will be 5 into 2 into 3, which is 5 into 6, 30. So ratio is 5 is to 6 is to 30. So this is time ratio. So time into speed, it will be distance. So the LCM will be nothing but distance. So this will be 30, 30, 30, because it will be same distance for all. So 5 into 6, it will be 30. 6 into 5, it will be 30. 10 into 3, it will be 30. The speed ratio will be 6 is to 5 is to 3. So 6 is to 5 is to 3 means 12 is to 10 is to 6. Both are same. So option 1. What is the maximum number of tiles whose length and breadth 10 cm, 8 cm respectively will be required to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively 352 and 100. So that means n into this rectangle area. So rectangle area will be L into B. So number of tiles into L into B. So this will be equal to this. So this is L into B. So with this, how many we can find it? So here 0, 0 cancelled. 8 table 4 times 32. Balance 32. So again 4 times. So number of tiles will be 44 into 10, 440. Salim bought an article for 784, which included GST 12%. So that means this will be 112%, which will be the cost. What was the price of article before GST? So 784 into 100 divided by 112. So here 112 7 times. So 7 into 100, 700. The principal value of sine of minus 1, 1 divided by root 2. Suppose I am assuming the value as a. This will be equal to sine of minus 1, 1 divided by root 2. So sine of this can be written as 1 divided by sine. So this will be 1 divided by sine. So this is 1 divided by root 2. So here a. So it will be sine a equal to 1 divided by root 2. When will sine theta become 1 divided by root 2? It will be 45 degrees. So this is nothing but sine 45. So a value equal to 45 degrees. So here this total value will be 45 degree. So pi divided by 4. Pi means 180 degree. So 180 divided by 4, it will be 45 degree. Option 1. Write a Pythagoras triplet whose smallest number is 8. So 8 square, it will be 64. 15 square, it will be 225. Add this total, it will be 289. So this will be 17 square. Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular plus base. So option 1. The selling price of a toy of a car is 540 rupees. Profit made by shopkeeper is 20%. So that means this include profit as well. So this will be 120%. So reverse it, it will be 100 divided by 120, which will be cost price. So here 0, 0 cancelled. 4 table 3 times. This will be 25 times. So 3 table 1 times. Balance 24, 8 times. So 18 into 25. 5 into 18, 90. 2 into 18, 36. 450 is the cost price. Two trains start from stations A and B. Travel towards each other at a speed of 60 km and 70 km respectively. At the time of their meeting, the second train traveled 100 km more than the first. So here the difference between two will be 10 km per hour. So with the extra speed they have traveled 100 km more. So that means it will take 100 divided by 10. It will take 10 hours to reach 100 km difference between these two. Now we have to find the distance between A and B. So total time we know, which is 10 hours they have traveled. So here relative speed will be 60 plus 70, which is 130. So distance equal to relative speed into time, that is 130 into 10, 1300 km. A man traveled a distance of 28 km in 8 hours. He traveled partly by foot at 2 km per hour and partly by bicycle 6 km per hour. So this is speed. So total distance from both it will be 28 km. Total time it will be 8 hours. Now we will check with the options. What was the distance traveled in foot? Suppose it is 18 km. So foot will be 18 km means 18 divided by 2. It will take 9 hours only in foot. So remaining 10 kilometers will be traveled by bike. So option 1 is eliminated because it is taking more than 8 hours. So we will solve these two as well. So traveled on foot 12 kilometer. So 12 divided by 2, it will take 6 hours in foot. Remaining 16. So it will be in points. So this is also not correct because it is whole. Whole means so complete 8 hours. So this is not possible. Next 16. So 16 divided by 2, it will take 8 hours only on foot. So remaining 12 kilometer, it will be traveled by bike. So it will take more than 8 hours. So this is also wrong. So now 10 kilometer on foot. 10 divided by 2, it will take 5 hours on. So 5 hours on foot. Remaining it will be 3 hours. 6 into 3, it is 18 kilometer. So total 10 kilometer, 18 kilometer, it will be this. Option 2. The sum of reciprocals of ages of two colleagues. So I am assuming the sum of ages as A and B, because here reciprocals it will be 1 by A and 1 by B. So this will be equal to 9 times the difference of reciprocals of their ages. I am assuming A is greater. So 1 by A minus 1 by B. The difference into 9 times. If the ratio of their products of their ages, so ratio of their products means A into B of their ages to the sum of ages. So divided by sum of ages. So it will be 100 divided by 9. We have to find their ages. Simply solve this equation using the given options. So A, B, it will be 25 into 4 divided by A plus B means it will be 29. So this is wrong because denominator can never be 9. Next option 2. It will be 15 into 10 divided by 15 plus 10, it will be 25. So here 5 table 3 times, this will be 5 times, this will be 2 times, it will be 6. So this is also wrong. Next option 3, 20 and 25. So A into B means 20 into 25 divided by A plus B means 20 plus 25, 45. 5 table 5 times, this will be 9 times. 20 into 500 divided by 9. So this is the option. Option 3. A sum of 10,000 rupees is borrowed at the rate of simple interest 15% for 2 years. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. So 10,000 into first 15% for 2 years. So first year it will be 15 percentage. So 1500. So second year will be same because simple interest, the interest will be same only. So total it will be 13,000. Option 2. Cot pi by 2 minus theta. So pi means 180 degree. So pi divided by 2 means cot of 90 minus theta. It will be 1 divided by root 3. Cot 90 minus theta tan theta. It will be equal to 1 divided by root 3. Then theta value will be 30 degrees. So cos theta. So that means theta is 30 degree. Cos 30 degree equal to root 3 divided by 2. Anita takes a loan of 5,000. 15% per year at the rate of simple interest. Find the interest she has to pay at the end of 1 year. So into 15 percentage for 1 year. So here zeros cancelled. 50 into 15, it will be 750. The lengths of 3 medians of a triangle are 3, 6 and 5 centimeter. So this total divided by 2. So this is 3 plus 6 plus 5 divided by 2, which is 11 plus 3, 14 divided by 2, 7. So this is S. Now area of a triangle will be 4 by 3 into square root of S is 7. So 7 into here S minus 1. It will be S minus 3. That means 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. So 4 divided by 3, square root of 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 7, 56. So option 3. In 4 consecutive prime numbers, the product of the last 3 will be 7,429. So suppose I am taking 20 into 20 into 20. So this will be 8000. Then the consecutive prime number should be less than 20 as well. So this is eliminated, this is eliminated. So we will check with 13, next 17, next 19, next 23. Suppose I have this product of last 3. So these 3 will be 17 into 19 into 23. So 7 into 9, it will be 63. Last digit is 3. So 3 into 3, 9. So here also 9. Product of first 3. 3 into 7, 21. So last is 1. 1 into 9, 9. So we have to check this as well. 13 into 17 into, sorry. So since both have satisfied, we have to find the largest of the prime numbers. Largest of the prime number will be 23. So shortest of the prime number will be 13. So answer should be 23. Find the least number by which 6250 should be multiplied so that it becomes a perfect cube. 625 into 10, it will be 6250. So this we can write it as 25 into 25. So this will be 10. So we can write it as 5 into 5. This will be 5 into 5. This will be 5 into 2. So now total here 5 power 5 into 2. So if we check the options, we need 1 5 and 2 power 2. So that it will become 5 power 6 and 2 cube. So it will be a perfect cube. So that means 5 into 2 power 2 means 4. That means we have to multiply into 20. So 6250 into 20. So it will be 0. 2 into 0, 0, 10. It will be 4 plus 1, 5, 12. So 125 into 1000. So cube root of 1000 will be 10. Cube root of 125 will be 5. So this is a perfect cube. So option 4. So in the pie diagram, they have told that total population of a city is 2,50,000. We have to find the approximate number of engineers in the city. So this is 65 degree. Out of total, so 90 plus 55 plus 80 plus 65 plus 70. So this is the total circle. So this is total. 55 plus 65, it will be 120. 120 plus 80, it will be 200. 90 plus 70, it will be 160. 160 plus 200, it will be 360 degree. So here 5 table, it will be 13. So here 5 table 7 times and 2 times. So here we can cancel it by 8 9 times. So here 8 3 times, 24, balance 10, 1 time, balance 20. So here 2 times, balance 40, so 5 times, so and 0. So 31,250 into 13 divided by 9. So here 5. So this total will be 10 plus 11 here. 9 3s are 27. Balance 42. So here 4 times 36. Balance 65. 7 times 63. Balance 20. So 2 times it will be 18. Balance 2. So we will leave the remaining 2. So 3 4 7 2 into 13. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 7 21. 12 plus 2 14. 9 plus 1 10. 1 into 3 4 7 2, it will be 3 4 7 2. 6 3 11. So 45,000 something nearby. So nearby approximate value is 45,000. This is the answer. So in the pie diagram, they have given that strength of a clerks is how many times that of teacher. So total clerks it is 70 degrees and teachers it is 80 degrees. So this is how many times of this. So simply we have to do teachers divided by clerks. So 0, 0 cancel. It will be 8 divided by 7. 1 times it will be 7, balance 10. Again 1 times it will be 7, balance 3. So here 0, 4 times. So here 28. So it will be 1.14 times. So they have given bar diagram. What is the standard ratio of boys' performance to girls' performance? So which is 3:2. So that means they have given standard ratio of boys to girls. This is 3:2. We have to find in which standard. So first, fifth, it will be boys is blue. So 80 divided by 60. So boys should be more here. So this is eliminated. So this is eliminated because here boys are less. So 80 divided by 60 means 4 divided by 3. So this is wrong. Next here 80 divided by 70. So this will never be 3 by 2. This is wrong. Next class 8. It will be 90 divided by 60. 0, 0 cancel. 3 table. 3 times 2 times. So this will be 3:2 ratio. So that means class 8. So class 8 is the answer. So they have given a graph across all the given standards. What is the difference in overall percentage in marks between boys and girls? So first 80 and 60, next 80, 70, next 40, 70, 40, 60, next 90, 60, 70, 80, 70, 60. We have to find the difference in overall percentage. 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 40, 200, 200 plus 90, 290, 290 plus 140, it will be 430. So this is boys. 60 plus 70, 130, 130 plus 60, 190, 190 plus 60, 250, 250 plus 140, it will be 390. So this is 430 and this is 390. Difference will be 40. Total 6 standards. So it will be 6 into 100. Total percentage is 600 percentages. Total difference between them is 40. So this 40 is how much percentage of 600? So it will be 40 divided by 600 into 100. So zeros cancelled. So this will be 2 table 20. This will be 3. 20 divided by 3 means 6.67.